Hello everyone, today let's play a game with the Chinese character. So I want to ask you, do you know what happened if 10 just add one stroke? So 10 in Chinese is just a close, right? 10. And what happened if you just add one stroke? Let's see, the first one is 干. So you just add one stroke here, add one stroke here. 干, it means dry or clean, and you can say 干净. 干净 means very clean. And the second one, you can add it in this way, add a 撇, and then 10. So this is also a 10, right? But you add a 撇 here. This means 1000. 1000 in Chinese. 你可以说1000 means 1000. 1000. And the next is 土. You write a 10 and then add a stroke at the bottom. But pay attention, this stroke is longer than the top stroke. It just means the soil. 土. So 土地. 土地 means the land. And the next one, do you know? It's 市. Write a 市 again and then add one stroke here. So you know why, that's why I told you here you should pay attention, because this stroke is shorter than the bottom one, but it will turn into another word. It's pronounced, it's 士. 士 means the soldier. Soldier in Chinese, you can say 士兵. 士兵. Okay, that's the game for you today. So please try to write more characters and try to distinguish the character and try to pay attention to this detail. 这个是横，但这个是撇。